From sightseeing to trekking to beach hopping, what other activities we can enjoy? How about we head over to some place relaxing and enjoyable? In this episode, let's go close to nature in a unique way and experience the clean and green farm life. Join me as I tour around AMCG Farm in Davao City. Philippines is a growing tourist hotspot as it gives pride to its wonders of nature. At isa na rito ang agritourism. The rise of agritourism attracts visitors to farm areas for educational and recreational purposes. And here in AMCG Farm, located at Mulig Turil, Davao City, ang dami palang pwedeng magawa dito. They conduct trainings about the various modernized state-of-the-art technologies in agriculture, like their greenhouse technology and drip irrigation system of Netapils from an Israeli company, Netafim, that produce drippers, dripper lines, and sprinklers. O diba, napaka-precise ng irrigation solution kaya it's very sustainable. Plus, they offer a wide array of activities that I personally enjoy. I made sure I catch the St. Peter fish or known as tilapia sa kanilang fishing area. This is romaine. So we'll cut first the roots. Take the roots and put it back. Get the cup, put it back, and then let's put it here. Now it's time for my favorite part, picking or harvesting their fresh produced melons. Okay guys, we'll start. So i-cut na nato siya ging, right? Okay. So i-cut na tong mga dahon. What's good about here is that you can just pick and pay and bring it all home, or have it freshly sliced for you and your friends. Very ideal ang mga ganitong weekend break for me. Because I love the nature and the great outdoors. Sobrang na-enjoy ko ang mga simpleng bagay na ito. Back to basic, you can also try visiting here too. Pwedeng-pwede para sa mga magbabarkada just to break the usual go-to places. Perfect din for families, especially with the kids, so that they can be exposed in agriculture firsthand. It's something that you must explore because aside from helping the livelihood of the local farmers, maaari nitong maging part sa inyong healthy lifestyle. Farm tourism sites are clean and in open air with fresh fruits and vegetable and so much healthy meals to choose from. Kasi syempre, during this time, we have already realized the relevance of health and wellness. Kaya, what are you waiting for? Visit and support the farm tourism in the Philippines because you deserve to unwind and pause a day with nature. If you are a mompreneur like me or have other questions about entrepreneurship, comment down below and don't forget to put #AskMamaJoy.